are 5 tail wagging facts about dogs. Dogs have an amazing sense of smell. Their noses can be up to 100,000 times better than ours. Dogs can learn more than 100 words. They're super smart and can even understand simple sentences. Some dogs can run really fast. Greyhounds are the fastest, and they can run up to 45 miles per hour. Every dog's nose print is unique, just like our fingerprints. No two dogs have the same nose pattern. Dogs use their tails to communicate. When it's wagging, they're happy. But if their tail is tucked, they might be scared or nervous. Now you know 5 awesome facts about dogs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Rooey for more kids facts.